We are here from Bangladesh Hindu Buddhist Christian Unity Council. We today along with all our sister concerned, we came here to respect to Bhasha on the Language Day. We hope on this day our want a equality, justice, and proper treatment of all the community in Bangladesh. We on that if executed this justice or equality, we will proper Bangladesh, and we will run on this country in that way, in the proper way. Any question?
How do you think the safety of the security of the minority communities after the taking of new government?
Long time minority community suffered in different way. So many atrocities, so many attacks on minority community. But after this government form 12, after proper election, we know you observe a nice election held in Bangladesh nicely. After that, we want this government equal evaluation of all the community, not only majority people in Muslim, all Hindus, Adivasi, and all community people should take their proper treatment. That means their right. It is our want.
Thank you.
In the year of 1952, our students and the mass people actually gathered in this place to protest against the language oppression of the Pakistani government back then, and they have actually sacrificed their lives to actually uphold the Bengali language and the culture and heritage of Bangladesh in 1952. And 74 years have passed by, and still people are coming from different places of the country, from different ages, are coming together in this holy place to pay their homage and tribute to the language martyrs of Bangladesh.
How do you think that the aspiration of the people has been fulfilled after 74 years, or still remaining something?
In terms of like upholding our culture and heritage and the Bengali language in particular, there are still some places where we can improve ourselves. We can be proud of our mother tongue instead of instead of using international languages, especially English, which is actually widespread throughout the country. So there are efforts from different sections, especially from the government side and the Ministry of Culture and Cultural Affairs, to actually uphold the Bengali language and its culture and heritage. But at the same time, there are places where we can improve ourselves and uphold it in a better way. And 21, the date 21 odd is actually not. I mean, after these 74 years, it is not. We cannot embed it within a single day. So, the 21st February is no more a single date, or it has actually turned into a symbol to uphold the culture and heritage of all the languages and all the cultures around the globe. The people of Bangladesh, the young students and activists of Bangladesh actually laid their lives to get out of the oppression of the Pakistani government back then, but it has turned into a symbol that all mother languages in the world, all languages and culture are equal in the sense of dignity, in the sense of pride. All languages and cultures in the world around the globe is similar, and there is no I mean, everyone is equal and no one is, no one should be more dominant than the others. This is what actually 21st February teaches us, especially.
International Mother Language Day, I want to say that we did this movement in our leaders, our then leaders tried to be a country where Bengalis and Bangla Bhasha will be in our mother language. You know, in then period, in Pakistan period, the Pakistan government tried to give pressure to be a Urdu language for our people, but we did not agree with them, and we did a huge movement for our mother language, Bangla movement.
So, do you think the aspiration of the martyrs has been fulfilled after 74 years of language movement?
Yeah, I do say it is on the way, but you know, in the various political situation, socio-political condition changes, so sometimes it halts, but we the Bengali people, we know that we will win and we will make our mother language superior for all, and we will the vision will ensure the vision of our mother language movement.
জাতীয়তাবাদী মহিলা দল ঢাকা মহানগর উত্তর সংগঠনের সভাপতি অ্যাডভোকেট রুনা লাইলা, সাধারণ সম্পাদক রোকেয়া সুলতানা তামান্নার নেতৃত্বে জাতীয়তাবাদী মহিলা দলের নেতৃবৃন্দ এই মুহূর্তে শহীদ বেদিতে সংগঠনের পক্ষে তাদের শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করছেন। জাতীয়তাবাদী মহিলা দল মহানগর উত্তরের সভাপতি অ্যাডভোকেট রুনা লাইলার নেতৃত্বে সংগঠনের পক্ষে শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করা হচ্ছে। সংগঠনের সাধারণ সম্পাদক রোকেয়া সুলতানা তামান্না এবং সভাপতি অ্যাডভোকেট রুনা লাইলার নেতৃত্বে জাতীয়তাবাদী মহিলা দলের পক্ষে ভাষা শহীদদের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করা হচ্ছে।
ভাই মোবাইল একটু পিছে হ্যালো ভাই স্কাউট পিছনে যাচ্ছে একটু ভাই মোবাইল
বাংলাদেশ পক্ষে সাধারণ সভাপতি জনাব মোহাম্মদ আলী দায়ী এবং সভাপতি মোহাম্মদ মুস্তাফিজ। তুরাগ থানা বিএনপির পক্ষে সংগঠনের নেতৃবৃন্দ শহীদ বেদিতে পুষ্পস্তবক অর্পণ করছেন। বাংলাদেশ জুডিশিয়াল সার্ভিস অ্যাসোসিয়েশনের সভাপতি জনাব মোহাম্মদ আলী হোসাইন এবং মহাসচিব জনাব মোহাম্মদ মুস্তাফিজুর রহমানের নেতৃত্বে সংগঠনের পক্ষ থেকে পুষ্পস্তবক অর্পণ করা হচ্ছে। তুরাগ থানা বিএনপি, ঢাকা মহানগর উত্তর। ঢাকা মহানগর উত্তর তুরাগ থানা বিএনপির আমাদের হাতে যাদের নাম সবার নাম বড় থানা দল।
ভাই, ফুল নাই।